All right, if you're not seeing snow yet, you will here pretty shortly. This is South Bend. Can't even see the skyline anymore. So this is the theme here until about 2 or 3 a.m. Constant snow. On our radar, darker blues indicate the heavier snow. So a little batch from Rochester and Winamac moving north. But again, everybody's seeing the heavy snow right now. Goshen to South Bend to LaPorte getting that as well. Michigan, if you're up by St. Joe or Waterville, it's not snowing yet. It will. This goes all the way down to Paducah, Kentucky. All this is coming our way. So expect several inches, minimum half foot by tomorrow morning. Many of you, most of you will get more than that. Why? Temperatures are very cold. When you're this cold and you're getting precipitation, the snow is extremely dry, fluffy stuff. It is not heavy, so it piles up pretty quick. You get a lot of air bubbles in there. And it also creates headaches on the roads because when you're this cold, the plow drivers try to do their job, and right behind the truck, the snow just blows right back over the road. It's not that packing stuff that they can kind of pile up on the side, unfortunately. There's the wind. Blowing and drifting will be problems. I think we'll have some snow drifts on the side of your house if you live by a farm field, probably measured in feet tomorrow morning. Wind chill value is very cold as well. So certainly expect school delays and closings for Tuesday. That morning commute is going to be rough, but conditions rapidly improve by the afternoon because the wind goes almost calm. So good news there. This evening, snow, temperatures in the teens. Futurecast shows it to you. Here's 9 o'clock. It's still snowing. It starts to lighten up by 1. So 2, 3 o'clock, I know the crews will be out doing the best they can, but when you battle the wind, it's tough, even when it's not snowing. Chicagoland, if you're traveling out that way or have friends and family, they are going to deal with lake effect. I think parts of Metro Chicago will easily get a foot of snow, which is, it's a big deal for anyone, but that's a pretty big deal for Chicago as well. So again, locally at minimum half foot. You get farther south of South Bend, you'll be inching and flirting with a foot by tomorrow morning. It's going to be really hard to measure this because of the wind. Some areas, again, on the side of your house, or if you live near a farm field with all that wind, will easily, if you stuck a ruler in it, be way over a foot. But as far as the actual amount of snow that falls, that's what we're thinking for tonight. 5 degrees, heavy snow blowing and drifting for your day tomorrow. 16. Hey, maybe we get a peak of sunshine, so that will be nice. A very similar storm looking likely on Thursday. We have to watch the exact track. At this point, it looks a little farther south, but if it if it makes a northwest movement like this one did, we're talking several more inches of snow on Thursday. So we'll watch it, and then look at that. For the first time in weeks, temperatures above the 32-degree mark by this time next week. How about that? And that's great because what you don't want is 50s all of a sudden and they get flooding. So we could use some days in the mid-upper 30s and just slowly melt this stuff. That'd be great.
We don't need flooding like we saw a couple of years ago.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, 3-4 years ago, whatever that was awful.
All right, Matt, thanks.